Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create an AI avatar in Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get right into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page that you're greeted by, from where we can get started with inputting our prompts. And now let's go ahead and take a look at how to create an AI avatar. So creating a personal AI avatar requires a Google AI plan and must be done on your mobile device. So Gemini uses a brief camera scan and voice training to generate a realistic digital twin, allowing you to easily create custom AI videos simply by chatting with the app. So what you're going to need to have is a Google AI plan. So this includes a premium subscription for Gemini. You are not going to go ahead and be able to do this and create your avatar without a premium subscription, so keep that in mind. So after opening up the application, you are going to go ahead and be able to access the avatar tools by clicking this plus button right here. That's going to show you how to get started with creating your avatar, but it's only going to appear once you have gotten your premium plan ready. As you can see, without a premium plan you can only create images, music and so on, but no videos and no avatar options are available. So keep that in mind. Once you get premium, you're going to be able to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.